Jeff materials.
Okay.
Once the critical analysis analysis na man for busa kese and say aden na yenya swap deal.
Swap deal.
Uso ko PZ. Once me use Pixel na me use iPhone.
Yeah.
It's in KB and can me do PZ. Me so where your Pixel 9 Pro. It's mama me 10 Pro no. Oh, me meje na the 5,500 so.
Yeah.
Meje na the 2,000 so. Your friend swapping. We iPhone 12 Pro. When na mama 17 about orange. Unye kura MA. Na man no munya no emu yankoswe. Ebi ajiwe na afa no mama. Yeah. No so ebi afa 5,000 kai friend swap. Na no attorney general kasa na think what about that. And no car say reciprocity say den de nke betima ya adwuma. But emramu no enye emramu yan swap ni person na swap phone sa it take certain process. And I was a journalist. What did I decide? I decided to read around near Attorney General Kano. I was Ofori-Atta in a bedding. But the documents via my Jeff, you're afraid you be the extradition treaty of 1931.
Right.
A metamorphose by Act way, your friend Act 22. Near TNSA. So, Okasa was extradited to be a word de Bonea. Law no him. US is a party to the treaty. Basana Muslim were political coloration and adding. Near me to second lawyers now. One of the areas almost fighting and health and they believe said to be a political.
It's almost a defense.
Yes.
Okay.
You can't act in say a fugitive criminal there be considered by a fugitive criminal shall be surrounded if the offences is in respect of which cost Romania. It won't say Muslim and political crimes are not surrendering, adding for the country no person yes surrender. So that is that. But on Abutrika then they are full because on only any cyber crime. Again, no kind Act 820 between Yoko and other agencies. So Ghana for sign say about cyber crime with dia say your offense under Ghana laws, now your offense under US laws. Yoko has to cooperate with the foreign entity to arrest you and extradite you.
But my problem is, why would you say it's because of the OSP? You follow the conversation.
Yeah.
They made us believe say as a kisiye jabe adwuma no wanye day. Onye ni yenti documents ya ka ese yonya. Na nki etimi de ko fa Ofori-Atta ba no.
Yeah.
Those documents no won fa ma yenti na ama Ofori-Atta kura yentimi mfa ne nyede. Emeduriye no. Giving us hope say. Documents ne ba ya easy to get Ofori-Atta in. Ebina okay.
Yeah, maybe that make us say how they communicated the oral. That is a process. You have to see the traditional word said that Ghana has to present the evidence.
Yeah.
A court of competent jurisdiction must do what they call indictment. And to present it, then you have to prove that crime na Ofori-Atta extradictable.
But what dance do dia?
Yes, exactly. There's a Butrika there. Yeah. And I may come, but Butrika there no. FBI produce ne offenses and charges. And a court Cleveland indicted on your friend restaurant or indictment. The no mujina so the Berga non authorities are moncha brandy with my it's Ofori-Atta and the Kranas we speak he has not been arrested.
Check and
to be extradited, you have to be arrested before you can be extradited.
Yeah.
It's Ghana and Penny for no. They have to present a document which is a charge sheet and an indictment from a court of Ghana. Then the US will also look at the charges, the security authorities, and cause an arrest. Then they'll go to a federal court. Then the federal court will accept whether the indictment is qualified. Say Ofori-Atta aba Ghana. So that is the process. So for me, sometimes communication.
So the issue is that if you have a strong evidence before the law, ubetumi the number and then yes and it. So it is not that and yes you must prove so the assurance of politicians you see my concern was how they handle the OSPs a bit of set.
It's not, you see, OSP it's about the oral crime review. No one I catch was say. Oral investigation you mutu they said 20-something billion. Didn't make sense to me. Because you see, accusing somebody of a crime is different from proving that the crime has been committed.
Yeah.
It will 2 years. It's all around Ogugu Ebeba. February 2025. Muslim 21, but IMF me and sound. And you could do 1 year now. You create a certain perception So that is the issue with our government. Sometimes how they communicate, the way they raise the hopes is raise the hopes of the Ghanaians, and that was sort of do. It's not an easy thing. Abutu can say the Nico USO. And court says as we speak. The lawyers must contest it. As a government to prove this idea now why under the various provisions I may come out FATF provision, under the Act 222, Act 870, even under the Budapest Convention Ghana ratified 2019 to fight cybercrime. You see proving in Nemus and why a offense under Ghana laws, offense under US laws, and he can be extradited. In Tianyasa watching Adneko. So it comes to a process. So now the guy has been kind of say incriminated as we speak. Utie commentaries even from your friend say the communications minister. Your friend is saying Sam George Ade. If you listen, it seems the guy without even say the lawyer say he's been taken as a criminal who has been doing through allegedly through a process.
And how it's being spoken about.
Yes, exactly.
It's like Onye and the lawyers hasn't completed way. But he has been like accused in that way.
No, who's a indictment and arrest warrants based on certain charges.
Mami nko ahumane so Jeff say honorable Ejina so ache kakra. Honorable John Kwabena Oti bless. Honorable good morning. Honorable good morning. Okay. Hello. Honorable. Okay. All right. Try be mina yenhwese be nya no anafi. Okay. Eugen.
Yes, so come back to the point I'm making say every and do my omadwuma. Yen so say we senior tunda be come na so my omadwuma. Say if you put the yente say BBS we say document we say we are mistake we say we enko correct. Omo me omadwuma no submit evidence no. Ene dia so dia chia brante no. All right, mama. Honorable
John Kwabena Oti bless. Good morning.
Good morning.